Hello, my amazing friends. I just wanted to do a really quick message and talk about a subject that got brought up on a walk with one of my sweet friends. And it's a subject that I've learned a lot of layers about and that I still struggle with. And it's the idea of that when these intense emotions come up, that we've experienced before and worked on, it feels like we're kind of back to square one or back down in the trenches, or our efforts and our work don't matter. And we think we've regressed, and it feels like we've regressed back to where we used to be. Those emotions feel like that. But the thing that I've learned is that a lot of times, we're taking these steps. We're building on these blocks, or we're learning line upon line or layers, and we're here, and then something happens, a trigger or an experience or something that just seems really similar, and we react a certain way that reminds us of how we used to react. We think we're way back down here, but really, typically, we're just here. But because we're feeling all of those same emotions, we feel like we've gone all the way back down. So, what I would encourage you to do today is start reprogramming those thoughts and those belief systems to know in your mind and your heart that you have not regressed back to square one. And typically, one of the evidences for my brain that really helps me is, did I take as long to notice my behavior or my reaction? Did I notice it way faster than I used to? Did I move through it way faster than I used to? Did I recognize and take responsibility and either apologize or correct my behavior faster than I used to be? And typically what I find is it's way faster than I used to be. And that's been one of the ways that I have learned to step away from the lie that I'm back to square one. But sometimes I need someone else to point it out to me too. So I hope I can be the person today that can point that out to you. And I hope that you can be the person that can point that out to someone else today. Sorry, I feel like my video is really shaky today, so I'm sorry if that's driving you crazy, but I'm really hungry and I wanted to do this really fast before my day got away from me. So anyway, I want you to know you have progressed much further than you realize, that you haven't regressed back to square one. And I hope that you can celebrate your work. Even if you're not getting the exact results that you want right now, I hope you can celebrate the work and the effort that you put in, and realize that when you go through that metamorphosis and you do all that work, you can't go back to square one. I don't think it's possible. I could be wrong, but that's just my belief and thought, is that you just can't go back to that spot. It's almost like a phoenix that dies and burns and is reborn. It can't go back to the original bird that it was. And so that's just kind of a visualization, but you are amazing and loved, and you are doing enough. Just know that, and know that it's okay. It's not arrogant or selfish to celebrate how far you've come, and it's okay you can still have humility in realizing you have more to learn, right? And let your ego know that it's okay. Yep, I'm human and I've still got more to learn, but that doesn't mean that I have gone back to square one. So I hope this message blesses you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.